flag that Mr. Christian Marin is present. He is representing himself in this legal action. And we also have Ms. Louise Cardenas. She too is present and representing herself as well. Ms. Cardenas, are you ready to proceed today, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Marin, are you ready to proceed today, sir?
Yes.
Both of you please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm the testimony you provide this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Thank you. You can both lower your hands. Ms. Bonget?
Thank you, Your Honor. May I give a brief opening?
Yeah.
Your Honor, it's the state's understanding that the parties entered into a voluntary child support review process, and a disagreement was made regarding the child support and medical support amounts based on Mr. Marin's income. Today, the mother and the state are asking that the child support review order be confirmed by this court without any changes. However, Mr. Marin wants the court to consider his income and find that it should be lower and less than what is in that proposed order. For my first witness, Your Honor, the state calls Ms. Cardenas. Ma'am, what is your full name?
Louise Danielle Cardenas.
Who is the child in this case?
Michaela and Ira Marin.
And ma'am, how are you related to Michaela?
I'm her mother.
Who is her father?
Christian Michael Marin.
And ma'am, are you able to hear my opening statement to the court?
Yes.
And you're in agreement that the proposed order that resulted from a negotiation should be approved by the judge?
Yes.
And that would change the support from Mr. Marin to $937 per month?
Yes.
And medical support to $230 per month?
Yes.
And both of these amounts were requested to begin June 1 of 2025?
Yes.
And your prior order, ma'am, was from 2021?
Yes.
And that had child support set at $383 and medical support set at $50?
Yes, ma'am.
At this time, is there any private insurance or marketplace insurance available for Michaela?
No, ma'am.
And so you understood that the state was asking for an appropriate cash medical amount from Mr. Marin based on his income?
Yes, ma'am.
And ma'am, did you have any information regarding his earnings or whether they have changed since 2021?
No.
Okay. Your Honor, at this time, I pass the witness.
Thank you. Mr. Marin, do you have questions of Ms. Cardenas?
No.
Okay. Ms. Bonget?
Thank you, Your Honor. The state's second witness, I call Mr. Marin. Sir, what is your full name?
Christian Michael Marin.
And Mr. Marin, are you the biological father of Michaela?
Yes.
And sir, were you able to hear my opening statement to the court?
Yes.
Was I correct in telling the court that you were aware of the proposed order, but you did not agree to it being confirmed as is?
Yes.
Specifically, you were disputing the amount of earnings the state used to calculate your support.
Yes.
Aside from Michaela, do you have any other minor children?
Yes.
How many others?
2.
What are their ages?
They are 6 and 4. 7 and 4.
And sir, were the amounts that I went over with Ms. Cardenas, the $937 and $230, what you understood to be the state's request for support?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Yes, sir. The $937 a month and $230 a month were the state's requests for child support and medical support.
Yes.
And you understood, sir, that we did take into account those other 2 children, so we were only going at 16% of your net resources.
That's what they said, yes.
All right, sir. And as far as the order goes, does it sound correct that we were saying your gross monthly income was $7,659?
That's what they were saying, yes.
And then as far as net, we were multiplying $5,856.94 by that 16.
I didn't exactly remember how they told me. I just remember some of the numbers didn't add up to what I feel like what I'm showing right here in my paycheck.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir. As far as the pay stubs, you've provided some that you'd like the court to consider today, correct?
Yes.
And specifically, sir, of the 6 that you sent, your most recent was for pay date of June 6th, 2025.
Yes.
And for this employer, sir, you've been here or with them, excuse me, for how long?
15 years.
Your Honor, at this time, the state asks permission to share screen to show Mr. Marin's exhibit.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor. All right. Sir, are you able to see a pay stub I believe you provided?
Yes.
And is this a true and correct copy of what you sent via email?
Yes.
Nothing has been changed or altered by you?
No.
All right. Your Honor, I will get State's Exhibit sticker number, well, A on this and have that in the box if admitted by this court.
Okay, does anyone have an objection with this document being admitted into evidence? Mr. Marin?
No, ma'am.
Okay, and Ms. Cardenas?
No.
They say admitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. And sir, given your history with this company, year-to-date amount, as you can see on this area for payroll at least, was $29,780.93.
Yes.
And then, sir, as far as a year-to-date amount total, there was this $42,922.55, correct?
Yes.
All right, sir. And so based on this being over 5 months worth, since this was June 5, would you agree that that total came out, or excuse me, average month came out to $8,584.51?
Which average?
That 42,922.55 divided by 5?
Let me see. Okay.
And so that math, at least if that so far makes sense, sir.
Yes.
All right, sir.
What it doesn't show all the gaps. It's my overtime is inconsistent, and if we go by this number that you're going, there could be months where I don't get any overtime, and these numbers will really throw off my ability to pay my bills.
Yes, sir. On this document, there's nothing about deductions for any benefits you might have for your child, correct?
I'm sorry, what?
This document doesn't reflect any benefits you might have in place for your child, such as health or dental insurance?
Correct.
Okay. Your Honor, the state's going to stop sharing screen.
Mr. Marin, do you have your W-2 from last year?
I don't.
You haven't filed your taxes?
I have an email that shows it, but I don't know if I could show my phone like that.
I don't know if you have
Would you like me to pull it up?
either share screen, or you could provide the email to the court and to all the parties, your W-2s or your tax returns.
Um, let me see.
And while you're doing that, do you pay any union dues or union fees?
I don't pay any fees, but I'm required to buy my tools and stuff.
And do you reside in the same county of your daughter?
I'm sorry, what was that?
You reside in the same county with your daughter?
No, I don't.
Do you visit your daughter with any regularity?
I only get here for summer break and Christmas break.
And do you pay those expenses?
Yes.
And
I pick
how
her,
much,
I pick her up and drop her off.
what are your expenses when you have to exercise your visitation?
I'll just gas and then normal stuff at my house.
Okay, what's the cost for the travel?
I would say it comes up to probably about $200.
Each way?
No, total, back and forth.
And how often do you have to travel?
I
Per
would it would be to pick her up 200 and then to take her back home another 200. And then so it'll probably about 800 per year.
to exercise your visitation for the whole year?
Yes.
Are you still getting those documents for us?
I'm trying to find the right year.
Jermaine, do you need a few more minutes?
I found it, but I don't know how to start playing it.
You found it on an email?
Uh,
Like a PDF form?
Yes.
You can send a copy to,
Yes.
if everybody wants to put their email in the chat, Mr. Marin can send that information to everybody, including the court. Ms. Bonget, are you going to need a few minutes to review the tax return, or are you okay to review it as we have the hearing?
I'm okay to review as we have the hearing, Your Honor.
So the court put their email in the chat. Mr. Marin, if you can just look at the emails and go ahead and forward it to everyone who put their email in the chat. This, just to be clear, this is for the 2024 tax return. Mr. Marin? Mr. Marin, can you hear me?
You broke up a little bit though.
This is the 2024 tax return, correct?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Oh, it's the same emails. Okay.
Did you send it to everybody, Mr. Marin?
It's should come through now.
Just give it a few moments. Ms. Longet, have you received it yet?
Not yet, Your Honor.
The court has not received it yet either.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't see that one email right there. The EP County. I sent it to the other two. Do I need to send it to the other one as well?
Yes, sir. That's for you.
Okay.
Gad, have you received it yet?
No, Your Honor.
We have not either.
And actually, Your Honor, it appears to have just come in. I should be opening it shortly.
Okay, perfect. Takes a little. Are you able to screen share that document?
Yes, Your Honor.
And
Are you
scroll
able
down.
to see that? I'm sorry,
Yes.
Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am, I can. If you can scroll down. Okay, let's see. Continue. Go ahead and scroll down some more. Okay, perfect. Scroll down some. Continue. 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 Okay. Continue. 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 Next. 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 I'm trying to get to the actual tax information, whether it be a 1040.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, perfect. Let me see. That's all that I needed.
Yes, Your Honor. Stopping share now.
Okay, anything else, Mr. Marin?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. Ms. Cardenas, did you have any questions of Mr. Marin?
No. No, ma'am.
Any last words from the state?
Yes, Your Honor. Based on the tax return information, the state had calculated guideline child support of 16% to be $918.83. And that was based on health coverage, or excuse me, cash medical of $344.
Okay. This is what I want to do. I want to set, and this is for government assistance, correct? Because nobody has healthcare insurance. I didn't see that anybody had private.
Correct, Your
I believe
Honor.
she's on Medicaid.
I'm sorry, Mr. Marin?
I believe she's on Medicaid.
Okay, but you don't have healthcare insurance available to you?
No, ma'am.
So this is what I'd like to, you're gonna punch in the numbers for me. $150 for a cash medical support with a gross of $7,153.75. What is that calculated amount?
Your Honor, would you please repeat the gross amount?
$7,153.75.
Thank you, Your Honor. That comes out,
Go ahead.
that comes out to $892, Your Honor, and 96 cents.
Okay, so $893 minus $60 for travel. That's gonna be what, $833?
Your Honor.
Okay, so I am going to grant the modification. I will modify the child support to reflect $833. That is giving a $60 credit per month for the total travel per year, along with a $150 cash medical support for government assistance, and all obligations are to continue. I believe the start date was June 1st, so that will remain the same.
Thank you, ma'am.
Unless there's